Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so I think I've done it every day this week. But that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And just quickly want to get things not really updated, it's not the right word because there's nothing new to update, but more so just kind of map things out and reiterate a few things as we head into the weekend, and just kind of a couple levels to continue to watch as next week unfolds. The main level that has really confirmed itself is right up here at this red line, which I've been talking about as resistance, and that sits at $4.50. Why do I say it's been confirmed? Again, well, right here was the first 30 minutes of the day, and actually now you can't see it, so let me just clear that out of the way. But you can see right there the high of the day, essentially right up at that resistance. I don't think it quite hit it. What was the high? No, it did. High of 450, so that actually makes perfect sense there. So 450 confirmed as resistance, and don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that the price can't break through it or anything. I'm just saying that'll be, public enemy number one going into next week. If the bulls are going to, get any sort of momentum back, then that's going to be the first hurdle that they need to clear. I would probably argue, though, that the most important thing that's been happening is the price is staying up above this green line here at $3.80. I fully realized today was very boring as it just went sideways and sideways and sideways, but I don't mean boring in a bearish way at all. At this point, like I said, I think it's very bullish because when you stop and think about, well, where are the boring parts going? Well, or where are the boring parts happening, excuse me. Well, right now the boring part is happening up here. Where is the previous boring part where it was just going sideways? The last time it was just going sideways was down here. And as long as the quote-unquote boring parts are happening higher than the previous boring points, that's how those uptrends are built. So $3.80, to me, like I said, I think that's the best sign right now that the bulls are maintaining themselves. Now, if the price obviously on Monday crashes through 380, well, then that's a whole different story. But as it stands right now, bulls are doing a good job of consolidating. So 450 key level of resistance going into next week, $3.80 key level of support going into next week. We'll see what happens. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.